And that was indeed a moment to watch.
Next to him, and it was a very powerful moment and a reminder of what brings us all together, the support of our troops and the respect for this young man, and the fact that he has given so much to the country.
Thank you.
Quite a moment last night. So we'll have much more ahead on the winter storm. We're going to go back to that in just a moment. That is paralyzing the Deep South today. But first, Republicans reacting to the president and his pledge to go around Congress if he has to. House Majority Whip Kevin McCarthy's here. He will talk to us in just a couple of minutes.
Also, this cruise ship carrying a mystery illness sent to document later today. We will be live at the scene to figure out what's happening.
Put up too close.
True story.
What are you doing?
What he is saying this morning about that.
Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Good morning, little girl. Hey, little girl. Yeah.
Get 2 free. That's any 2. Absolutely free at Joseph A. Bank.
Big factor coming up. Is there an exorcism situation going on in Indiana? A police captain says it's credible. And a big football star tells us he used cocaine during a Super Bowl game. That more on the next factor. We will see you then.
Hello, I'm Jay Farner, president of Quicken Loans. Here at Quicken Loans, we're proud of the fact that we've helped hundreds of
Sophie, what are you doing? You little imp.
We're all the way up to -2.
Really? Doesn't look that cold out. Come here. All right, come on. I see you, sneaky.